This one I call throwing stars. It looks like those, old-fashioned ninja things that they throw in the air. It's really, really nice, but it didn't just happen by itself, and I have something very cool to show you. This is because of the Creative Grids template set called Scrap Crazy 6 inches. We've done a Scrap Crazy before. It's just strangely shaped templates, and you make a cool little block out of it. This does that, but this does so much more. I'm not going to demonstrate that whole thing. I'm going to demonstrate using one little piece of it, because another little booklet you can get is called Scrap Crazy 6 inch by Karen Montgomery, and we sell that here at Sewing Parts Online. Both of these items, there's information in the description of this video if you want to get those. But this book, I'm going to depend on our top-down camera, is that someone went through and made all kinds of beautiful quilts with this one set of templates. Well, I loved this one so much that looked like the throwing stars. I said, that's what we're going to do. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm only using one piece of the template set, so it's very versatile. So I want to get right into it, and to do it, you start with choosing your fabric, of course. Choose a background and choose a print. That's what I did on this, the green for the print and the white for the background. And you're going to cut 4.5-inch strips of fabric. Cut a lot of them because this takes a lot of them, okay? So each one of these is 4.5 inches wide. And from there, you are going to slice this every 3.5 inches, okay? When you do that, you have these. Now look, I stacked these up because you can just lay one fabric on top of the other and do the cutting. Don't try to cut everything separately. You'll drive yourself crazy. But you get these little rectangles, right? Which is what we need. If you look at the design, one of these throwing stars requires 4 pieces of your print and 3 pieces of your background fabric. Remember, these are 3.5 by 4.5 inches. This is what you need for one of the throwing stars, but you don't assemble this as a throwing star, not at all, because this is a strip project. And I'm going to show you what that means. You are first going to take those little rectangles and stitch them together every other one. You can see on this one, I used that little template already. This was sort of a leftover trial piece, but it works. So stitch all of your little rectangles together like this, and then take your template A piece and lay it down here, and you're going to cut here, flip it over to the next intersection. You're going to cut here, flip it over to the other one, and you get the picture, right? You're going to cut these triangles out. This little template is so cool because it lops off all of the edges too. You don't have points, and you don't want points when you're assembling like a hexagon shape. You want some flat little ends, not those points. So when you do that, you end up with these. Now, one thing that's very important, make sure that all of your little triangles here are the same. And by that, I mean, my print fabric is on the right of each one of these. That's what you want for this project. If you have a print on the right and a print on the left and you try to do this, you will not have any success. So don't do that, okay? So when you start laying these out, you lay these out like this. Now, when I started doing this, I'm like, oh, I had to keep looking at a picture. But it was pretty simple for me to remember. I did this. I said, let's lay the first one down, look at the long edge of the print fabric. Now, on my next one, I'm going to look at the bottom. I'm going to just lay the bottom against that. And then I'm going to lay the bottom of the next piece against that one. And you can see this starts to make the rotation. Okay? It's pretty simple. Stitch these together at 1/4 inch seam, and what you have is this. And then what you also have is the next one, and you can see what I'm doing here. Let me move this over. These are going to make a row. When you stitch these and stitch these, that's what this project is. It is a row of strips. So when you look at this again, let's pull this guy back in. If I folded it up really small, you will see, oh yeah, this is just a set of what he just did. There's a set of 3, there's a set of 3, there's a set of 3. This thing is just repeated over and over, and you have a Beautiful, beautiful design. I love this, honestly. I almost would want to try these in different colors. It would be, there's all kinds of things you can do with this. I think this one's great. I would definitely look into the template set. I hope you will follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And as always, happy sewing.